When the comb is just the way you like it, go ahead and cut your yarn. Then chain and pull all the way through to make a knot. Now we can hide our ends using our hook. Just pull them right through and into the middle of the hen. All right, let's give our mama hen some eyes. I like to go about 2 rows down from the comb and then about 3 stitches over. This is your chance to make your hen unique. So if you want to put your eyes and beak in a different place than where I put mine, go for it. Once you have the eyes where you want them, go ahead and put the back on so they don't move. Next, let's put the beak on. Grab your orange yarn and cut a small piece of it. Then thread your yarn needle. When you figure out where you want your beak to go, insert your hook from inside your hen to the front. Don't pull it all the way through. Leave a little tail so that you can hang on to it. Insert your hook on the other side and come out where the first yarn went in, making a line across the face. Insert your needle in the same hole again, making it come out the back of the hen. Then you can move the beak around a little so it's just the way you like it. Take your yarn needle out and tie your 2 ends in a knot so the beak doesn't go anywhere.